guys, welcome back to N&M Fun Adventures.
So today we are making a hydraulic lift. The mission today is, you are the engineer charged with a new design for a crane with hydraulic lift for shipboard operations. Using the materials provided, build an arm that can pick up and lift a load to a minimum height of 8 inches off the deck. In addition to hydraulic components, your design must incorporate one simple machine. A simple machine can be inclined, plane, lever. We're going to be using are 3 popsicle sticks,
3 wooden blocks, and there's going to be 1 hook, and you can put it right here. And that's a hook for the little circle that you're going to put it through, and then there's going to be a rope so you can connect it, and then it will,
and then some rope,
and then it will go up. You'll need 2 syringes
and a drill to make holes for the hydraulic lift,
and
one long tube, a wooden platform
for the crane,
a dowel,
a long one,
so you can cut some pieces off,
and food coloring.
You don't need to use it, it's optional.
Yeah, because we're using green because it's the color of the oil.
So before we start building, you get the syringes and
you're gonna
connect it to one. You don't connect this one because you use this. Okay, well,
so you're not gonna put this yet because you're gonna need to put water in this.
Yeah,
so, alright.
Oh, it's falling in. There we go. 1 drip.
Whoa, it's so cool.
Okay, now let's close it.
And then we need to mix it.
It looks so cool.
I know. We also haven't done this before.
That's why we think it's cool.
Oh my god. Green water. Oh my god, we should do this all the time.
The tube and the syringe.
And then you put it in, you hold it, and then you suck it up, and then you insert this. You insert the second
syringe.
We'll connect it, make sure it's tight and it doesn't get loose.
And then
when you push this
I'll push this and then
this will go up.
Yeah.
The oil goes through and pushes up the other one. Now suck it back, and then this is gonna go down. There we go.
Oh yeah, very cool. You get the platform,
and then you get the second blocks and put
the 2 blocks.
The 2 blocks, yeah.
You put it here, but one of the popsicle sticks are going to be here, and the other 2 are going to be like this.
Yeah,
so it can bend.
Make the arm.
And in order to do that, you have to make a hole. Now,
the popsicle sticks with the tape, so when you drill it, you won't mess up. Because if you put it all together and then you make the hole, they'll all have the exact same hole. And remember, you need to have some wood on the table so you don't make a hole.
Or just a hard platform.
You also need some safety glasses.
Yeah.
If you don't have them, you might have to let a parent use it because.
Okay, Michael, can you hold it?
Yep. Go. Wait, right there. Oh, okay. Get in position.
Okay. 3,
2, 1. There we go.
So we put 3 holes in the popsicle sticks.
And then you can choose one
Of the popsicle sticks to tape it to the block. So we choose this one and taped it. Now, since we have that one taped, we get this block. Just put it on the platform, and then you tape around
make
it.
sure that it's all around. This is what half of it. My brother just needs to put one right here.
This part to the platform.
And put it on the bottom, because when you tape it to the platform, it won't be able to like fall or lift up.
Okay. So now you get the dowel and the scissors.
Cut it.
Then you cut it.
Make sure you turn it so you can get all the sides.
And it could be easier to cut when you cut it. So now once you cut it, you'll get a small dowel. So once you get it, you have these 2 pieces. And the dowel. Stick the dowel,
The hole
in one of them. And then before you put the other one in it,
you insert it over
you
here.
insert this one. So now once we put in the 2 popsicle sticks, now you get the syringes and then you tape it on the thing. You bend the popsicle sticks and then tape it. So now you did this,
and now this should happen.
Yeah, it goes up.
And it goes all the way up. Boom. It goes so high. Okay, let me lower it down. So now there's we got
the hook that's connected to the rope.
And there's a little hole right here, so you can just insert the rope.
Put it in, and then you get tape and tape this side. And then you can cut a little bit of it off.
There we go. And now, the final thing is to add this.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna insert it into the hook. And then now we are done with the hydraulic lift. So let's give it a try. It lifts the block. Da 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 da. Now lower it.
And that is how you build a crane with hydraulic lift.
See you guys later on N&M Fun Adventures.